Welcome to the channel. Today we're designing this Voronoi infographic, a unique type of tree map that visualizes hierarchically structured data along with a related quantitative value. Unlike traditional tree maps, Voronoi diagrams divide an area into organic, cell-like shapes based on Voronoi tessellation. Each cell represents a leaf in the data hierarchy, and the size of each cell corresponds to the value it represents. Let's dive right in and start building it. For this tutorial, I'll be using a data set on annual deaths caused by major diseases. It includes the disease name, its category, and the number of deaths per year. Please note that the data is not verified, and I will use it demonstration only. Okay, let's head over to RawGraphs and start building the visual. RawGraphs is a free and open source tool for data visualization, and we'll be using it for this demo. Click on Use It Now to get started. In the Load Your Data step, you can paste your data, upload a file, or explore one of the sample data sets. For this demo, let's go ahead and upload our data set. Our data set has successfully loaded, and all the columns are visible. Next, scroll down to the list of visualizations and choose the one we need. We'll go with Voronoi visuals for now. Click on it, and then move on to the mapping step. Now let's map our data to the chart variables. For the hierarchy, we'll map disease category and disease. For size, we'll use annual deaths. For color, let's also use the category. And for label, we'll display the disease name. Let's scroll down and see how the visualization looks. Now we're in the final step, the customization stage. Let's tweak the chart a bit to make it look better. We can change the background color. We can add a legend for clarity. Adjust the padding between blocks to control spacing. Increase the polygon size. If you make it large enough, the layout becomes circular. You can also change the color scheme, or even recolor individual blocks or entire categories. Once you're happy with the design, you can export the visualization as an SVG or image file. Next, let's head over to Canva to work on the layout and add some information design touches. First, bring in the Voronoi visual we just created in RawGraphs. Drag and rearrange it to fit your layout. Now, let's highlight individual diseases with images. To do this, use circle frames from Canva's Elements tab. search for appropriate images, and insert them into the frames placed over the relevant cells. You can also add labels for each disease and include the corresponding annual death figures for more context. You can repeat this same process for all 20 diseases. Since the steps are repetitive, I won't walk through each one. I'll leave the rest to you to complete your design. Once you're done, you'll end up with a final infographic that looks something like this. And there you have it. We finished creating the Voronoi visual design using simple and free tools. I will be adding more information design tutorials to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a single one. Thanks for watching.